So we are team number 8. We're confirmed by Giovanni, by Roberto, and by me, Osvaldo. Our problem is about the biorhythms. A biorhythm is a periodic cycle that can tell how the human being, how is going to be the mood of the human being. The three principal ones are the potential, the emotional, and the intellectual, which are measured the physical in 23 days, the emotional in 28 days, and the intellectual in 33 days. So in the problem, we're given this formula that it tells that the potential is equal to 50 sine of lambda times t, that represents our time, that we're going to use these 3 times, plus 50. With this formula, we're going to get the cycle of each potential for the physical, for the physical one, for the emotional, and for the intellectual. The first question is to get the lambda value. Lambda is this little value. We get this knowing that we need to have the big coefficient. The big coefficient we're going to get it with this formula. We know that the periods we have are these 3 ones. So we substitute 23, 28, and 33 with the p. So we get 2p over 23, p over 14 because we simplify, and 2p over 33. So these are the 3 values that we are going to give to lambda. With the formula of the biorhythm that was given to us, we substitute each one of the values of b in the value of lambda, and this given to us this formula, this graph. So we can see the formula, this formula of the biorhythm with each value substituted, and we can see that the first one corresponds to the physical biorhythm, the second one to the intellectual, and the third one to the emotional biorhythm. So we know that these 3 values start again in the number 21,252. We know this by getting the minimum common multiple of the 3 numbers that were given to us. As we can see here, we do the table and get the number of 21,252, and we check all over the graph, and we saw that the 3 graphs touch at the same time the 100% as you can see at 17,003. And we can see that in this point it touched the 3 of the graphs.
They ask us to monitor a person that has lived 7,670 days. We developed this formula that is x is equal to 7,670, and here we have the graph. The red one is for the physical potential, the blue one is for the emotional potential, and the green one is for the intellectual potential. So here we have the graphs. In the first one, that is the green one, we have that in that day is in 72.9%. Then we have the red one, that is at 68.8%. And finally we have the blue one, that is at 28.3%.